श्री कैप्टन बी फर्नांडिस, कैप्टन बी फर्नांडिस।
Thank you, sir.
एक मिनट ले तो काफी लोग आ जाएंगे, अदरवाइज तो।
Thank you, sir, for giving an opportunity. Today is Indian Navy Day. As a former Navy officer, it gives me immense pride to wish the officers, the sailors, the defense civilian personnel and their families, not forgetting the veterans and those who have lost their lives while serving the country. The theme of Indian Navy this year is strength and power through innovation and indigenization. Over the years, the Indian Navy has improvised, improved, and played a critical role in the country's defense setup. Indian Navy Day is an honor for the success of Operation Trident that was audaciously launched, I repeat, audaciously launched on the intervening night of 3rd and 4th December that crippled the Karachi port and turned the favor in India during the war in 1971. Today I can say with utmost pride that Navy's contribution in maintaining peace in the Indian Ocean, ensuring security of critical trade routes and fostering maritime cooperation is tremendous. I once again wish the personnel on this important day. Thank you, sir.